Greetings from Jakarta, Indonesia. Sorry, I haven't slideshow my presentation. Sorry. Okay, I will start again. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings from Jakarta, Indonesia. My name is Rio Geoffrey Wijaya. Would like to present my research with the title Mathematical Modeling for Optimizing Tourist Trip Design with Considering Scores on Art Visits. I am introducing the distinguished lecturer, Dr. Wiora from Jakarta, also my supervisor, and other research fellows below my name. And the agenda for today consists of 6 points that includes the introduction, literature review, methodology, data and model, result, and lastly, conclusion and further research. For the introduction, this is several reasons behind why we conducted this research. I will start with a fact about that thing related to my research. If in a big city, 10,000 people use electric scooters instead of cars, emission would be reduced by 35 million grams daily. I'm here not an electric scooter sales agent, but nowadays, as we already know, electric scooters and electric bikes are increasing to raise the sustainability. And according to Moratidis, and in 2021, from his research of transportation technology sharing economy and teleactivities implication for built environment and travel, also shared the same opinion that shared mobility are increasing. And throughout decades, the number of logistic and tourism application problems are also increasing. Start from orienteering problem introduced by Golden in 1987 into classical orienteering problem such as team orienteering problem with time minus, and later on it extended to like generalized orienteering problem, arc orienteering problem, and other variants. And still there are many more that are not mentioned. And the third is that there is no problem that is considering both vertex score and arc score. The existing problem is at least considering either vertex score only or arc score only. And lastly, in the designing a tourist trip, both vertex and arc score are important consideration. For example, when we are visiting a heritage sites, the attraction is countless and scattered. Meanwhile, our time is limited. With technology advancement like e-scooters or e-bikes, it will make it easier to accommodate throughout the sites. And so the user experience of X is not in the attraction only, but the path will need to be considered to increase the experience if we are using e-bike or e-scooters. So our research focus on how to maximize the tourist user experience in designing a trip accommodated by the electric vehicles such as electric bikes or electric scooters with limited time and budget. And for the literature review, there are several previous research from either considering vertex score only or arc score only has been conducted. The problem focused on the vertex score only are a generalized orienteering problem, and on arc score only name arc routing problem or arc orienteering problem. The first research for the generalized orienteering problem is done by Jim in 2005 using harmony search to solve the generalized orienteering problem. The second was Wang in 2008 using a genetic algorithm, and the latest research from Urrutia Zambrana using a variable neighborhood search to solve the generalized orienteering problem. And the result for the AOP is firstly by Araos in 2009 using branch and cut algorithm to solve the AOP. Archetti in 2014 using the same algorithm to solve the team orienteering arc routing problem. And then Gavalas in 2015 using the approximation method to solve the AOP. And lastly, Yu in 2015 using a particle swarm optimization to solve the orienteering problem with the time windows and arc scores. So the method, the proposed problem is combined from both generalized orienteering problem and arc orienteering problem. Heuristic or meta-heuristic is the most feasible way to generate the solution, since the problem is categorized as the NP-hard problem. And will be solved by the exact method. And the software to deliver the method that are being used is the AMPL software. So the proposed problem is will be already implemented in Kota Tua, Jakarta, Indonesia, with certain boundaries. The Kota Tua was chosen due to one of the heritage attraction and its renowned name in having a high historical value in Jakarta. Kota Tua is located in the capital city in Indonesia, which give advantage in the strategic location compared to the other attraction. The trip will have certain boundaries, as mentioned in the slides. The maximum number of attraction is 10, including depots. The maximum number of pet is 16. The time will be limited into 2 hours. The budget will be 80,000 rupiah. And in the picture, we also describe the attraction name according to the notes, and also the vertex score and the visiting cost generated by the Google search engine. Meanwhile, the R-score is described in the range of distance. Longer the distance means lower the R-score, and so on and vice versa. For the sets in our model, name V as the set of vertices. A is the set of arcs between vertices. N is the set of all nodes. P is the set of all paths. And lastly, F is the set of travelers. For the decision variable that being used are referred to xijp if there are a visit in a certain vertex that will be equals to 1, otherwise 0. Yip if the certain path is used will be equals to 1, otherwise 0. SIP is a variable of starting time at vertex I in the path of P. And the right side is the mathematical model. The first one is the objective function is to maximize the total amount of user experience from the sum of each traverse weight with the sum of each vertex score and arc score. Constraint 2, 3, and 4 guarantees that each path starts in vertex 1 or depot and finish also at vertex N and depot. Constraint 5. Constraint 5 ensure the connectivity of each path. Constraint 6 ensure the visibility of the schedule. Constraint 7 ensure that all vertex is visited at most once. Constraint 8 and 9 ensure the limited time horizon and traveling budget for each path. Constraint 10 and 11 restrict the start of the service to the time window, and 12 ensuring that SIJP and YIP is binary. And for the result, as we can see in the picture, the trip that satisfies all the boundary are the following resulting trip. The trip initial place is coming from the depots and visiting through Nodes 2, which is Museum Mandiri in Indonesia, and then Nodes 3, Museum Bank Indonesia, Nodes 4, Jakarta Kedai Seni, Nodes 10, Museum Fathahillah, and lastly back to the depot, Nodes 1. And the objective reached in the total is 68.9. And for the conclusion and the further research, the conclusion of the research proposed a combination of generalized and arc orienteering problem. The problem is model corresponding SGOP with additional arc score and constraint. The AMPL software performed the proposed model to get the optimal solution by using the exact method. The result has shown that there is a higher user experience represented as Z that is not necessary to visit all nodes. Meanwhile, the lower user experience indicates having a visited attraction with lower vertex and arc scores. So thus, it is necessary to visit the best attraction and shorter path based on the limited time and budget. And for the further research, arc score can be defined through the smoothness of the road, or conducting maybe a survey to use AHP in addition to illustrating more into the real condition. The vertex score also can be determined by using the AHP or survey to compose a solid argument. And of course, the experiment can also be carried out by the other application of heuristic or meta-heuristic to obtain a closer or higher optimal solution. I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much,